This is a simple document, a default paragraph, and we want to insert here a footnote. Let's see how it looks in LibreOffice. So let's insert a footnote. And if we write something here, let's disable automatic spell checking. We can see the number 1 here is the same size and height as the text. So how we can change that? It's very easy. Let's go here. Let's click on character style. Click on footnote character, right click, modify, position, and check superscript. Apply, and you have superscript here in numbering the footnotes. Of course, we can change the percent here, the percentage. We can have a higher or a lower percent, or we can change the font size, the font style, and so on, family. Let's see, we can highlight, change the border, font effect, font of, okay, we have a bold here. So it's very easy to personalize how we want the footnote numbers. Thanks for watching.